How to fix ThinkPhone 25 Wi-Fi calling not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For start your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After start your device, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turning on or off your airplane mode, then open settings and scroll down and click on system updates. And here you can check your system updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on system and click on reset options. In last, you can see the option erase all data factory reset. Now click on it and click on erase all data. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.